welcome to Point of Chew. Today, as you can see, we're trying Wegmans pomegranate fruit and veggie bars, okay? So, like I've talked about on another one of my videos, it's got that yellow banner on it. So one thing you gotta remember, keep in mind that when it has that yellow banner, flip it over and check those ingredients, because it's never gonna be filled with any fake colors, flavors, preservatives. Just perfect and delicious. Okay? So we're here with Adaline. These are like her favorite. They make her really silly. Alright? We got Junior too. But I'm gonna read this off real quick. So it says it's got pomegranate juice, sweet potato puree, apple juice concentrate, purple carrot juice concentrate, natural flavor water, and then liquid sugar. So, and it only has 100 calories per bar. So, considering those few things that we've talked about when it comes to this, this is just a great thing to have. And the kids love it. I'm telling you, the kids love it. It's just the best. Eli, what do you think about it? Tell me what you think.
It's good, and I like how it's so mixed together and delicious.
Oh, okay. It looks together and delicious. All right. Anything else you want to say about it?
I like the veggies. I like taste veggies and the sugar mixed together. So it's like super.
All right. Well, that's all we got for this time. We'll catch y'all next time on Point of Chew.
You got on YouTube?
It will be, yeah. So, you have to make sure.
I cannot see the video. But this is in the way.
Oh, but she's in the video though?
Mm-hmm.
It's 1, 2, 3. Wegmans! Oh, you guys don't know. Oh, you're taking the video. You're right there. Come here. As long as you can see that.
I cannot see anything.
You see Adaline.
Yes.
If that thing